Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I looked and I haven't talked about this one on the channel yet. I was buying some shares, starting to look at it again. This is Lumen Technologies. It's got a fat dividend on it. It's actually a CenturyLink, but this is Lumen Technologies, ticker LUMN. Here you can see over the past year, down over 12%. In the past 3 months, down over 15%. Here in the past month, down over 4%. Here in the past week, down 2.5%. So it was up there, $11, and dropped. So did AT&T. They're probably playing off of each other, the action. Verizon is the same way. But so it's an investment holding company which engages in the provision of integrated communications to residential and business customers. Founded in 1930. Market cap of $10.85 billion. High today of $10.53, low of $10.26. 52-week high of $14.50, low of $9.31. And here's why I started buying some of this one. So I haven't bought a whole lot of it yet, just been buying a little bit here and there and just kind of watching it and seeing what the price action does. But it does have a huge dividend, so average volume at 9.05 million and volume here today of 1.52. Not the greatest of ratings on this one, pretty much showing it as a 46% sell. And here's a look at their ratings. Next is expected on November 2nd. But talked about AT&T quite a few times. You can see the price is down below $18. Been buying some of that. And Verizon is below $44. Been buying some of that one anytime it's below 44. So, and this is the spin-off from AT&T. So I wish I would have sold that right after I acquired that, because that one's down as well. But back to Lumen. As you can see, the CenturyLink design logo right there, and currently showing it as a hold here on MSN. Currently at $10.45 with a 1-year price target of $11. So Lumen Technologies shares sold by TD Asset Management Incorporated. Decreased its position in Lumen Technologies by 5.1% during the first quarter, according to its most recent disclosure in the SEC. The fund owned 315,715 shares of the technology company stock after selling 16,839 shares during the period. TD Asset Management Holdings and Lumen Technologies were worth $3,558,000 at the end of the most recent reporting period. So just kind of showing some trade action on this one. Couldn't find a whole lot of information on it, but just wanted to point this one out and see who out there has this one, as it is a fat dividend play. So Massachusetts Financial Services, MA buys 575,881 shares of Lumen Technologies. So they increased their stake in Lumen by 72.5% during the first quarter, according to the most recent disclosure in the SEC. The firm owned 1,370,741 shares of the technology company stock after acquiring an additional 575,881 shares during the quarter. Massachusetts Financial Services owned about 0.13% of Lumen Technologies, worth $15,448,000 at the end of the most recent reporting period. So again, some more trading action on this one. Over here on Reddit. And this is 12 days ago, so you can feel free to go over that. Just showing the top stock option open interest changes. Awaiting short signal. So, like I said, not a whole lot of information. I just wanted to do a video on this one, as I thought I had. I talked about it on another video, probably with some other telecommunications, but not just a video on this one itself. So kind of wanted to get some feedback on it. I know it's not the greatest appreciating stock, but it is communications. That's not going anywhere anytime soon, but it does have the fat dividend. So 52-week low of 931, high of 1450. Unusual options observed. 1050 call, expiring on 826. That one's already over with. So I have done options on AT&T in the past, just because it doesn't move all that much, and I don't like to lose money on options. So if you want to practice options, I recommend stocks that don't move a whole lot. You're not going to make that much money, but also it's the fear of losing the money as well. So over here on MSN Money, currently showing this one as a hold with an upside to 11.18, so there's a little bit of appreciation, but if you're looking for a fat dividend play, you could add this one to your watch list portfolio. I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion, but again, this is Lumen Technologies at $10.49, LUMN. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.